Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the interface inheritance. Today we'll be discussing about the extending built-in types. So classes or interfaces can extend built-in types like array or error to add the custom behavior, right? Again, I'm telling, while we try to implement the same thing, you'll understand it very clearly. So let me quickly explain extending built-in types, right? Classes or the interface can extend built-in types like array or error to add the custom behavior. So let's try to see the same thing and let's try to implement the same thing with a very simple example. Nothing but the extending error. So let's go with the custom error class. So I'll just quickly come here. I have created TypeScript file. You can see here I have named this one index.ts, right? So let me quickly come here. I'll give here let me consider custom error which extends error. So also let me call the constructor here. Let me pass the parameter message which is of the type string, and also here let me do one thing here. Let me call the public code. I'll just consider here this will be of the type number. So what did I do here? Constructor. Just give me a second. This is fine. Let's continue. This one I'll just call the super keyword here. Let's pass the message here. This is fine. And finally, let's assign name to this one, custom error. So this is fine. I'll just come out of this class. Let me quickly make use of the error variable name, and let's assign this one to the custom error. So I'll just give here, in my case, I'll just give something went wrong. So and pass the code 500 something. So here this is fine. So this has to be new keyword, right? This is fine. Next, what I'll do, let me quickly come here and log error.name and also console log of have passed ERR, right? Error dot. So here I'll just pass the code. So yeah, here what I have done here is I have to give equals here, right? Instead I have the given colon actually. Now this is fine. Let's run this one. I'll just give here tsc this one file name, nothing but index.ts. So let's wait for some time. So I'll quickly come here. Let me give CLS once. So I'll just come here. I'll just give node index.js. So we can clearly see we are getting the output custom error and 500. That the code we have passed here, right? So the output that we are getting here is which this is absolutely correct. So I'll quickly explain what I've done here. So the custom error basically extends the built-in. We can clearly see here the custom error clearly extends the built-in error class, adding a code property, right? So here again I'm telling this one code property. While I say this one, custom error basically extends the built-in error class, adding a code property, and also instances of the custom error include both custom and standard error property. Again, I'm telling instances of the custom error include both custom and standard error properties. So here while I log error.name and name and code we are logging here, right? So we have to get the output custom error. We have passed name to the custom error and code we are passing 500. You can clearly see here if something went wrong. So the output that we need to get here is custom error and 500. That's what we are getting here. So this works absolutely correct. So I hope the concept of extending error or the extending the built-in types is completely clear. Next, let's discuss on the advanced array topics, nothing but read-only array and tuple destructuring. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.